is it Micah? Micah.
Yeah. Snacks. Today I'm gonna ask my husband the questions I've never asked him before.
So we got our snacks from Quick Trip, guys. So before we came here, we stopped by at Quick Trip real quick. Got me some beef hot dog.
I don't know what are these called.
Something spicy,
Yeah,
whatever.
both of these.
Oh, spicy buffalo. I actually like this one, but I can't really eat spicy food, so I'll settle for beef hot dog for now.
So I downloaded this app last night. It's called HH Talk. When was the last time you felt that I understood you better than anyone else? Did you ever felt that?
That's a tough question. I would say every day then. Every day. Compared to my previous relationship, I guess you understand me more than anyone else. Or not even just my previous relationship, like, understand me more than anyone. Ang patience mo. Yeah. I actually like this one. Ano ni siya lang nga? What's this?
Always a ranch. I don't know which one's the barbecue, which one's the sriracha. I think this one's the sriracha.
I like this one. This one's spicy.
So this is the sriracha. Okay. What's an emotion you often feel but rarely express?
I'm always expressing my emotion though. So what's
An emotion you often feel but you rarely express.
Man, look at that guy. Siguro, since may hypothyroid ako, I feel like when I feel like I'm irritated, so I just don't express it.
You
And
have
then
to suppress it.
suppress it. I always try to control it, but then eventually, if gamay nga ang pag-irita mo sa akin, then I'll get triggered.
You'll snap.
Tapos I'll snap, and then doon ma-express ko na nga, oh, I'm not in a good mood, you know what I mean? So I would say that. I would say if I'm trying to suppress my irritation, so control it, para hindi maipalabas sa...
Sobrang mabilis ma-triggered ni LG.
Pero only naman pag only pag like inconsistent ang pag-take ko
Yung
ng
gamot
medicine.
niya.
But if I take it like regularly at the same time, and then okay lagi, then wala, okay yung mood ko nga eh. Only pag lang, like let's say,
Pagpagod, puyat.
tas mali yung time ng pag-inom yun. Okay, ikaw. Dalawa na tayo, let's answer it together lang yan. Because I want to know you as well. So
Okay.
I want to know you more. That's what I'm saying.
These days, siguro yung very sensitive ako, diba? I don't know if you can tell, pero mas sensitive ako dati, diba? I'm trying to like adjust a little bit after you got diagnosed na yan nga, may hypothyroid ka. Para at least kahit pa paano ma-release mo yung nafe-feel mo, or like katulad niyan, pag na-irritate ka, gusto ko kahit pa paano ma-release mo siya ba?
Ang usual naririnig siya pa. Alam mo yung sagot? You know the answer? What?
Nare-release
Pag... Ikaw, I'm asking you if you know the answer.
I don't know.
If I'm playing games.
Oh yeah.
Right? Yeah, I usually release it when I'm gaming. Nung pinapalabas yung
Galit
lahat
na.
ng rage ko sa katawan.
Kaso sometimes, pag, may dalaw din ako, hindi ko din maano.
But I can tell because once na I sense na parang like you're almost on your limit, then diba?
Ikaw na naman yung
Yeah.
mag-a-adjust, which is really good. You ready for the next one?
Okay.
What's something new you'd like to experience together?
So I kind of wanna. Always say this all the time. I want to travel together.
That's
it.
my answer
I just want to travel. That's it. It's not something new, but it's something I want to do with you.
I think something new, yung yung malalayong lugar talaga, ganun.
Oh, like tayo lang dalawa.
Yung tayo ng dalawa, we'll figure it out ourselves, ganun, yung mga situations. Kasi daw, meron akong narinig na you'll get to know your partner a lot better while you're traveling.
Mm-hmm.
Yung kayo lang mag-isa, yung may mga troubleshooting kayong gagawin.
Grabe pala yung pandinig.
What's a memory of us that always makes you smile?
Siguro yan, di na tinatanong yun eh. But I would say nung wedding. Yun
Wedding?
talaga yun. Wedding tsaka yung getaway natin after the wedding.
Mm-mm.
No.
Ako, pag wala sa LJ, tapos namimiss ko siya. Kasi 10 hours yung work niya eh. Mag-watch lang ako ng mga videos natin, meron akong album na ginawa sa Facebook, mga wedding pictures, prenup, natin, yan.